What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Artistly AI and whether it's worth using for AI-generated art and creative visuals. Artistly AI is an AI art generator that lets you create images from text prompts in various styles, from realistic illustrations to stylized concept art. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you don't need advanced skills to generate visuals that look great. One thing I like about Artistly AI is how easy it is to use. You simply type a description of what you want, including style, mood, colors, or composition, and the AI creates multiple versions you can choose from. This makes it useful for brainstorming concepts, thumbnails, thumbnail backgrounds, character designs, or any visual you need quickly. Artistly also usually gives you different styles and variations to play with, so if the first results aren't perfect, you can pick the one that fits your vision best. This flexibility is great for creators who don't want to spend hours tweaking prompts. That said, the output quality varies depending on how detailed your prompt is. If your prompt is vague, the results can feel generic. And while Artistly AI is great for quick visuals, it may not replace professional design tools if you need highly polished or commercial-grade assets. Overall, Artistly AI is a solid choice for generating creative visuals fast, especially if you want concept art, character ideas, or visual inspiration without drawing it yourself. If simplicity and speed matter more than deep customization, it's worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.